Um, I'm gonna review some previous lesson like we used to study last week, but I prefer to review it in the form of exercise one. So we gonna do exercise and use last week lesson. Got it? So we start now. I'm gonna let them have the first one variable float score 1, score 2, score 3, score 4, and score 5 like this one. Okay, and I let them input it. So if you want to input it, you need to use what is it? Yeah, scanner class. Okay, scanner class, and you declare it to be object one. The name of object you can use anything. You can use input like that or some type of use object like that, but I prefer to use it cin new scanner, and then inside this one we clarify with the system in. So when you want to input, you need to use system in, and when you want to output, you need to use system out. Got it? Okay, now you want them to input the score 1, so score 1 equal with cin next what? Next float. Why we use next float here? Because the type of the variable is float. Got it? Okay, this one. Okay, and then score 2 equal with cin dot function next float like that. Okay, this one gonna work when we run it. Okay, when we run it, it's gonna work. Let's see what first. Okay, so this one it work like that, and I can input like 32, 45 like that. Okay, you see? But this one, it doesn't get any instruction at the upper of it, so we don't know what to fill. We don't know what to fill. Got it? Imagine when you take out a form for them to input information, personal information, and then you didn't tell them like this place input name, this place input date, like that. So how can they know where to put name, where to put gender, where to put date? So we need to get a little bit of instruction before let them input. Got it? Okay, so I use system out before cin, like input score 1 like that. So I mean like it's gonna show up this word first and then let them input. See? So they understand. Okay, input score 1 at here. Got it? Okay. Another one, I'm gonna use this one also does below it like this one, but input score 2. So when we run it again, you're gonna see like, okay, the word input score 1 and then let them fill. So put 32, 45. So they understand, okay, display input score 1, display input score 2. Better than the last one that we didn't tell anything. Got it? Okay, keep continue. So we can let them input all 5 scores, all those 5 scores, score 3. Okay, just like that. And then score 4. Okay. And then score 5. Okay. Just like that. Now I'm gonna calculate the total of it. Got it? So calculate total. Okay, so float total is equal with score 1 plus score 2, okay, plus score 3 plus score 4 and plus score 5. Just like that. And then I calculate average one more. Average I mean like we pick up the total to divide by the number of that score. Got it? So how many scores that we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we divide by 5 like that. We're gonna see the average one. Got it? Okay, below I'm gonna show back the total. Okay, so like system.out.print total equal with I want to show the value of that variable. So we cannot use like that. If you use like that, it's just a string one. Got it? So we use string concat like this one. Understand about this one? Got it? So we use a plus sign and then we add the variable name after it. So it's gonna work like this one. It's gonna show the word like this, string like this, and then plus the value of total. Got it? Okay. Now system.print, and I use average equal and plus the average of like that. Okay, got it? So I'm gonna run it again, and you're gonna see the result of it like this one. Okay, input score 1, so let import it. Okay, 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 and you see total and average of it. Got it? Okay, okay. Think like so far so good. Based on this point, you got any question or no? No? And you understand about it? Okay. So keep continue to another one. Like I want to condition the grade. I mean like I'm gonna like I put some condition to find the grade. If the average stay between 90 to 100, I'm gonna put like you got grade A. It's like that. Understand about it? So when we're talking about the condition one, we gonna use if, else, like that. Do you still remember the if, else? Still remember about it? Okay. So use like this one. Average bigger than 90 and average smaller than 100. Mean like stay between 90 to 100. This one mean like 90 to 100. So I'm gonna get grade A. So A for this one. Got it? So you need to declare like this one, and then use like grade equal with A. Child is for single character. Mean like only one character inside it. Cannot use many character. If you want to use many character, you need to use string one. Got it? And the special sign that we use with the child is single quote. But if it was string, so you need to use this one, double quote. Got it? Okay. So this one I'm just remind you about the past lesson that we used to learn. So this one like this one. Okay. Else and average stay between like 80 to 90. So this one we didn't put equal because equal we point as A2. Got it? So this one didn't. Okay. This one great. Okay, another else. But I'm gonna copy it because think like kind of waste time record it. So put it like that. Okay, this one between 60 to 70, grade D. This one between 50 to 60, grade E. And the last one is between 0 to 50. You got grade F, just like that. You see? Okay, and I'm gonna show up the grade of it. Say grade, and I show the grade like this one. So okay, this one gonna be other because I use if, okay, and then else, and then else. But the last one I got L or not? No, I didn't put L condition. Okay, so this one it got error because they try to tell me like, okay, that grade can be null because you didn't have L condition. Got it? So if you don't want this error to happen, so you need to put L like this one, grade to be just put blank space like that. Because if the average didn't stay between 0 to 100, I think like it got some error. Got it? So just put it blank space like this one. So this one that come normally, it's got no more error. See? Okay, I'm trying to run it and test it for you to see it. Okay, run. And then we use like okay, okay, 90, and you're gonna see this one and average it between 84. 84 stay between what? Can you see the condition one? 84, 80 to 90. So it's gonna be grade B. Is it right or wrong? This one is right? Okay, so I'm not gonna go furthermore. I let you think about this one first, because I feel like you got some problem. Is there any problem here? No, you understand about it, right? Okay, so keep continuing. This one you can see like it works the same way. This one like input score 1 and then input score 2 and then input score 3 and then input score 4, score 5. But I kind of feel like it kind of the same one that we work it 5 times. So for this one we can reuse the code from writing it like that and write with the loop one. So put the loop here and it's gonna work the same way. Okay, and one more thing, I'm gonna tell you why we should use loop here, because can you calculate this one for me? The variable that we declare, how many? This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're gonna see like float, it got the size of it gonna be 4 bytes. Okay, so 4 multiplied with 5, so it's gonna be 20 bytes. Okay, got it? See? So it takes 20 bytes on our frame. Get it? Okay, but if I use only one like this one, can you tell me like how many it get? It's only 4 bytes. See? Okay, so this one I'm gonna use like this one. 4 in E equal with 0. E smaller than 5. E plus like that. Now I can say like use 1 is better than this one smaller and equal. So this one, can you tell me like how many times this loop gonna work? 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6 is not gonna work. Got it? Okay. So I put this one in here and I change this one into E like this. Here this one I'm gonna plug. So I mean like show up the word input and then show up the value of E, 1, 2, 3 like that. See? And then keep continue with the 2 sign here. Okay, this one I'm gonna use score like this one. See? Okay, but how we calculate it? Because we got only one score. We didn't have score 1, score 2, score 3, score 5 like this one. Okay, but this one you can use like this one. Okay, I can float total equal with 0 like that. And then this one I put like total equal with total plus score. Okay, and I'm gonna clear this one and also clear this one too. So I mean like E equal with 1. So break down this one with me. E equal with 1 and then we check the condition 1 smaller than 5. So this one true is gonna work inside this one. Got it? So let people input the score. So if they input like 32, this one gonna work total equal with 0 total themselves plus with 32. Got it? So we got here total 32. Got it? And then we keep continue to the upgrade stat. Okay, E plus plus is gonna turn into 2, 1, 2 smaller than 5, true or false? True. So this one gonna let us input the score again. So if this time I put it like 45, and then this one gonna take themselves the previous one 32 plus with 45 like that. Got it? Okay. I mean like the last loop we got total 32, but for the initialize one total is only 0. When E equal with 1 we input 32, so the total equal 32 too. The next one we still input 45 and total keep get themselves to plus with 45. What is the value previously of the total? The last loop that it get is 32, right? So it gets 32 plus with 45. Okay? So now tell me this one. What inside it? Like maybe like that? Am I right about this one? Okay, keep continue. This one turn into 3 3 smaller than 5, true or false? You keep true, right? So it let them input the score again. So if they didn't input it with 33, so total gonna get previous number plus with 33. See? So it turn into 100. Got it? This one keep into 4, and 4 smaller than 5 keep true, so let them input again. So if they input like 90, 99 like that, so this one get previous number plus with 99, right? Okay, so we got 190 like that. Now keep continue, this one turn into 5, 5 keep smaller than 5, smaller or equal than 5 keep true, so this one gonna let them input again. So if they didn't input it like 78 if they input it like 78, so this one gonna get previous number plus with 78 like that, and turn into 7, 1, 8, 7 and 2. Am I right? Okay, this one turn into 6, and 6 keep smaller than 5 or not? No. So let them input the next score or not? No. And no calculate more. So this one gonna end up. Got it? Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna run this one, and you're gonna see the result of it. Keep the same way with the previous code that we write. So put like, okay, 89, 90, 90, 99, 78 like that. See? Correctly. You get about this or not? So this one is we put like condition lesson and loop lesson, and the input lesson in interaction one calculate some operator, plus sign, divide sign, output and input to build this program, a little program. Like let them input the file score and then calculate the total, and then determine the grade, and then show them all. Got it? Okay, any question? So let's continue, and we're gonna review about loop a little bit, and I'm gonna add on some nested loop and nested if, because at the last week we didn't talking about it. We take a little bit of rush to finish condition and loop, and we miss some point like nested if and nested loop. But I think like you familiar with the word nested. Nested it means like loop inside loop. If we're talking about nested loop, it means loop inside loop. And we're talking about nested if, it means like if inside if, just like that. Got it? So let's review something about it. Like the first one, this one we call nested if. Nested if. Okay? Nested if, it means like if. Okay, this one is if statement. If 12 bigger than 0, and I'm gonna system.out.print the word like bigger. Okay, can you tell me like if I run this one, what will happen? Does it gonna show the word bigger or not? So yeah, it's gonna show up the event, right? Because of what? 12 is bigger than 0. Is it true? So this is true. It's gonna work inside it. This is the open curly brace, and this is the closed curly brace. Got it? So everything inside it gonna work when that condition is true. Okay? But if this one is false like that, so you tell me like inside that curly brace work or not? No, it's not gonna work. Remember about it. Although like this one, 12 is modular with 2 equal with 0. It is true. So it's gonna show up this word, right? You think like that, but this is wrong. So you need to remember about the flow of it. So the first one, you need to check this one first. So this one true or false? It false one. So when this one false, everything inside it gonna work or not? No. So how can you read this one? No, you cannot check this one because everything inside it gonna skip. So this one haven't checked. So this one also didn't show up too. Got it? Okay, so this one is bigger like that, and this one is opposite of 0. So can you tell me like it's gonna show up the word even or not? No. It's not gonna show, right? Because okay, this one true, so everything inside it gonna work. But when it work inside it, it's gonna change this one more. And this one true or false. So the 12 modular with 2 equal with 0. And they said like 0 isn't equal with 0. Is it true or false? It's false, right? Because 0 should equal with 0. Got it? Okay. So this one is false. You say when this one is false, so this one work or not? No. So nothing happened, nothing show up. But if I use this one like that, and I show up the word old like that, and you can see. Can you tell me like this one gonna work or not? Yeah, because this one isn't true, and then gonna work this one. Got it? Okay. So let me put this one back and then put like this one. Minus 12. Can you tell me like minus 12 gonna show the even or odd? You tell me like it's gonna show the word even, but actually it's not. It's not gonna show anything. Why? Minus 12 bigger than 0. Is it true or false? False. So everything inside it gonna work or not? No. So how can it show even one? You missed the point. Okay, how about this one? If I put like 23. So can you tell me like it's gonna show the word even or odd? Yeah. 23 is bigger than 0, true or false? True. You're gonna check up like 23 modulus with 2 equal with 0 or not? No. So you're gonna show the word odd. Got it? So this is called nested if. It means like if, and then we got another if inside it, and then we still got another if. It's up to you. It's up to the condition or situation that you use it. Got it? Okay, nested loop. Okay. So this one I'm gonna put like 4 and e equals 0, e5, e plus like that. I'm gonna show up the word like dog. Okay. Can you tell me how many times dog gonna show up? How many times it gonna show up? 5. Okay, that's true. Okay, it's gonna show up it 5 times, and I got another loop like in z equal with 0, z is smaller than z and z plus like that. Yeah, I'm gonna show the word cat. Can you tell me how many times cat gonna show up? Does anyone know about this one? One time. It's only one time. You're sure about this one? Is it right or wrong? Is that like only one time we're gonna work? See like how about this one? How many times we're gonna work? Yeah, infinite. Like it's gonna work infinite time because the condition keep true until it crash, until the program crash. Got it? Okay. So how about this one? How many times this one gonna work? No. Yeah, didn't work. I mean like on this one we call it like zero loop. So when we start up initialize and check the condition, it already failed. So it's not gonna work. So we call it like zero loop, and the last one that work infinitely, we call it infinite loop. Got it? Okay. So keep continue. Like just put it no more like this one, smaller than 3. So can you tell me how many cat gonna show up? Like, okay, can you tell me? Yeah, that's right. Okay, just like that. Can you tell me like, okay, this loop gonna show the cat 3 times. I'm gonna put that loop inside A. I mean like this one A stand for this block of code. Okay, you understand about this one? I mean like I put this whole block inside A. Okay, got it? So if I put A inside this one, can you tell me how many A gonna show up? So we're talking about A first. I put A inside this loop. So how many A gonna show up? How many A gonna show up? 5 times. Also as the dog, right? but inside A it show up 3 cats. So how many cats gonna show up based on this one? 1A can show up 3 cats. How about 5A? Yeah, 55. See, this one we call nested loop. If I put it like this one, so how many cats gonna show up? Okay, keep continue. I put it like this one, like cow. So can you tell me how many cow gonna show up? Yeah, it's show up only 5. How you know about this one? Because cow also inside this outside loop. Cow is not inside this one, so it's not gonna pass on this one. Got it? So this one we know it gonna show up 15. How can we know? Because we put like this one, how many times it works? 3 times, and multiply with the outside loop. So inside loop multiply with the outside loop gonna show up how many times inside loop gonna work. So this one works 3 times and the outside loop will work 5 times. So multiply it, it's gonna work 15 times. Understand about this one? This one I use 4 inside 4, but if I use 4 inside 1, it's gonna be a little bit confused anymore. Any question? No. Okay, let's do a little bit spicy it a little bit more. So I mean, like I'm gonna use this one. Okay, I hope you understand about this one. Okay, this one just a little bit of answer, so I screenshot it first. Okay, see. So we do it one more. Okay, this one I put it like this one, string. Okay, stator. Okay, and I have scanner in, new scanner, just use system in like this one, and then I put do while loop like this one. Okay, stator equal with exist. Sorry, string cannot use some type of comparison operator like that. Okay, got it? So when we compare string, we cannot use this sign, cannot use equal like that, cannot use it. Okay, got it? So we need to use string function equal with the word exist. But I mean, like if they input exist, it's gonna stop working. So this one I'm gonna put not equal in front of it like this one. Okay, but I keep error. So when I keep error like that, you need to put a mouse on it, and then you're gonna see the message of error, like how it's wrong, like right there. This one the description of it explained as like variables that might not have been initialized. I mean, like we haven't put any value to the stator yet. So to fix this one, it's just like stator equal with cin, like just like this one. Okay, so everything is okay now. Got it? So I system out a little bit this one and tell them like input keyword exit. So I mean, like I cannot use this one. Okay, this one exit to leave. Okay, so if they input the word exist, so the system gonna stop working. Got it? So this one I'm gonna run a little bit to show you. Okay, kind of hard one, so I put like far, it's gonna work like far, gachi, a, t, everything is gonna work except when you input the word exit, so it stop working. Why? When we input the word exit into the stator, and then stator equal with exit, so this one is gonna be true. But when we use opposite of it, so it's gonna be false. When the while loop check, it is false, so it stop the word. Got it? Okay, keep continue. So this one, understand about this one? Okay, when we put exit, we're gonna stop verb because we use opposite sign in here, not sign in here. Got it? Okay, I'm gonna use 4, and then I put like e equal with 0, e smaller than 5, e plus like that. I'm gonna show up the word dog. Can you tell me about this one? How many times dog gonna show up? This one gonna show up 5 times. Got it? Okay, so I run it. run it again. I'm gonna show 5 dot like this. If I put like continue, so this one gonna show more 5. See? Okay, I put like exit, so I exit, no more dot, so on. Got it? See? This also called nested loop, but nested with a do while loop and nested with for loop, right? Loop inside loop. I don't care like it doesn't care like whatever you use, for inside for or for inside while or while inside for. Everything is just like one loop inside another loop is called nested loop. Not only one, I mean like maybe you got many loop inside another loop, we call it nested loop. Got it?